Introducing the Locking Dessert Carrier Cake Storage Carrier. Designed with convenience and functionality in mind, this clear plastic cake container is perfect for transporting and storing your delicious baked goods. Featuring a sturdy handle and dome lids, this cake carrier provides ultimate protection and ensures your cakes stay fresh and intact during transit. The locking mechanism securely fastens the container, preventing any accidental spills or mishaps. No more worries about squished cakes or messy frosting. Not only does this cake carrier excel in functionality, but it also boasts a sleek and elegant design. The clear plastic construction allows for easy visibility, showcasing your beautifully decorated cakes and treats. Whether you're a professional baker or simply a home cook, this cake carrier will impress your guests and bring a touch of sophistication to any occasion. But wait, there's more. This versatile carrier isn't just limited to cakes. It can also be used as a pie carrier, ensuring your favorite pies remain intact and ready to serve. The locking feature guarantees that your desserts stay fresh and flavorful until they reach their destination. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Before making a purchase, please check the compatibility to ensure a seamless experience. With its exceptional durability, convenience, and stylish design, the Locking Dessert Carrier Cake Storage Carrier is a must-have for any baking enthusiast or party host. Don't miss out on this essential kitchen accessory that will elevate your dessert game to new heights. Product information: ASIN B08PNWCVCF. Customer reviews: 5.0. 1 rating, best sellers rank. Number 203,645 in kitchen and dining. See Top 100 in kitchen and dining. Number 149 in cake carriers. Date first available: December 4, 2020. Don't wait any longer. Click the link, short link, https://amzn.to/3d3 in the description to get your Locking Dessert Carrier Cake Storage Carrier today.